TikTok Shop is still a less saturated platform to sell your products online as an e-commerce seller, and it is keep giving you a lot of features to use. So if you learn about those features and start implementing those features on your TikTok shop, so you can actually grab a good amount of audience to purchase your product. Because if you search on Google, so it will say you that more than 1 billion people visits TikTok every month. So if you utilize all of those features which TikTok shop is providing you and keep working on them, then you can actually start getting more and more sales and scale your business. So just like that, in this video, I'll show you a very good feature of TikTok shop, which is shoppable video. I'll show you step by step how to create a shoppable video for your product, so you can just create that video within just simple clicks with the help of AI, and you can use those shoppable videos of your product to showcase your product to broad amount of audience on TikTok and start getting more and more sales. So the only request from my side is please watch this video till the end step by step without skipping any part, so you can actually understand that video in detail, because I try my best to explain every topic in detail in simple words so anyone can understand, because all of my videos are completely free and provide you some valuable information. So if you like my videos and my videos help you in scaling your business, then the only thing I want from you, just for my motivation, is your like and your subscribe. So share this video with your friends as well if you think that they need them. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my TikTok Shop Seller Center. So if you want to create some shoppable videos for your product free of cost within just simple steps, so all you have to do is you have to go on this left side menu, and from there you can see this live and video. So if you click on that, so here you can see two options. Number one, shoppable videos, and number two, live manager. So if you click on shoppable videos, so on the right side you can see there are multiple options. If you scroll down, you can see the tab which says get inspired by trending videos. So here TikTok Shop is itself showing you some of the trending videos, so you can actually watch them and you can actually take the inspiration and try to create videos like these, right? So if you want, you can just watch those videos just to get the example like what kind of videos are trending and what kind of videos are basically working for other sellers, right? So after watching them, after getting the idea, you have to go up, and from this menu you can see that there are four options. Number one, overview, get inspired, create content, and content data. Right? So if you want, you can just explore all of these features. They are super good and you can actually create some engaging video with the help of these free tools. Right? But for now, I'll show you how to create the effective shoppable video within just one click with the help of the template which TikTok Shop is providing you. But if you want to add some other shots which are taken from you with the help of your phone, and these can be a shot of your product and shot of yourself using that product, so you can add those shots into those templates as well, which I'm just gonna show you, right? So to check out those templates which TikTok is providing you, you have to go on this create video tab, and then you can see multiple options like upload to TikTok, product clip, and use template. So if I click on use template, so here you can see that TikTok is providing you multiple templates, and you can check them all one by one and see which template fits best to your product and which template looks attractive to you, right? So after watching those templates, you can just select whichever you feel best, right? So for example, if I just check out this template, if I just put the mouse cursor here, the videos automatically starts playing, right? So in that way, I don't have to play all of the video one by one. I can just move the mouse cursor and I can just see the video in action, right? So let's check out this one, and this one. Okay, so I think that this video is best. So if I click on this use template, so it is asking me to use this on CapCut. So if I just click on use on CapCut, so in the next video, you can see that the CapCut is open. And for those of you who don't know what CapCut is, so basically CapCut is an online app to edit your videos, and it's free of cost, and you can just customize any of the TikTok Shop template on CapCut free of cost, right? So you can see that I opened the CapCut. I can just click on try again. So here you can see that this is the same project and the whole video is here, and I can just customize that whole video as per my requirement. Like I can just change the text color, I can just change the videos in that, and I can just replace every part of this video and make it as my video, right? So you can see that if I just click on play, so here the video is same. You can see that in this video there is some text and there is a music and there are some clips roaming around. So if I just check out the timeline here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are total 13 blocks. And in every block there is one video and one text. So I can just click on all of the blocks one by one, and I can just replace the text and replace the video. For example, if I just click on the first block, so here you can see that in this first block it says new collection and there is a video of shoes. And if I click on second block, I can see there is a text and there is different video. So let's say if I want to change the text and I want to change the video in first block, all I have to do is I have to click on first block, and then from this new collection, if I just click on this, and then if I want to change that text new collection, so I can see this text from right here. So in that list I can find all of the text line which are being used in this video. So if I just click on that new collection, and I can just replace that text to my channel name, ways to sell online, so you can see that that text has been changed. So if I just play that video, so here you can see that ways to sell online, the text has been changed. Now if I want to change the video in this first block, so I have to click on this first block, and then I can see that it says replace. So if I click on this replace button, so I can actually replace that clip with any of the clip present in my desktop. So in that way, I can just replace the clips and text in all of those blocks, and I can just make this video, and I can just completely customize and change the whole video with my product video and my product text. So in that way, when I complete that video, I can just click on this export button, and that export button will actually export my whole video into my desktop, and then I can just go back to my TikTok shop, and from here I can close this, I can go up, and I can just click to upload to TikTok. So if I do so, that shoppable video which I just create with the help of CapCut template into TikTok shop, I will be able to upload that video, and I will be able to sell my product with the help of that shoppable video. So then when I upload that video and create that video, so whenever anyone see that video, so while watching that video, they will be able to see a shop now button under that video. So when they see that video and see the product in action, so they can actually click on the shop now button and purchase that product which they will be seeing in that clip. So basically this is a super simple and effective feature of TikTok shop. So if you create all of the videos of your product with the help of this feature, so you can get a benefit of shop now button on those videos, and that feature will only work if you connect your TikTok shop account with your TikTok main account. So right after watching this video, start using this feature, start creating more content about your product, and upload that content as a shoppable video on your TikTok main account. So in that way, you can get sales from there as well. And if you want to get more and more sales on your TikTok shop, you can watch my other videos in detail in the same playlist, in which I have shown you how to create your listing, how to optimize your listing, and how to create an effective marketing campaign for your TikTok shop product so you can get more sales and hence you can make more money. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.
What we do here is go back.